police demanded a bribe of rupees 5,000, which they could not pay. Thereafter, on the night of that very day, the police came to their house and arrested illegally. কলে তোকে ওরা পিটিয়ে মেরে দেবে, বিজনেস করতে দেবো না, তুই জমি বাড়ি ছেড়ে পালা, সানডে অব্দি টাইম দিলা।
In July, 2nd July, 3rd July, nothing happened. I have my CCTV. I can produce in an affidavit. On 26th June, he was taken to custody because he called that life was threatened by the local people.
Well, I'm for the private respondent.
Lord, I beg to appear for the petitioner, Your Lordship.
Well,
Yes, this matter was passed over for the last 2 days, Your Lordship. And the respondent number 10 is not even an answering respondent, Your Lordship.
Yes.
My Lord, this case, Your Lordship, is particularly craves the attention of this court. This matter is a clear case of overaction as well as inaction, Your Lordship.
Yes.
The petitioners herein belong to a very poor family, Your Lordship. They actually carry out a business of rearing and selling of country chicken. Now, the fact of the case is that some local miscreants are used to regularly harass the petitioners and extort money. Now, one day, and the chronology of the case is very important. So, I'm starting with the dates. On 2nd of
What do you
July-
want now?
I want for not just an ad interim prayer. I'm praying for police protection because I'm not able to enter my house, and I'm also praying for inquiry against departmental inquiry against the erring officers, Your Lordship, because I have been victimized by the police officers at the instance of the local miscreants, Your Lordship. False cases have been filed against us. And most importantly, this case, there has also been a POXO case, which the police has registered after 20 days. And when they went for medical legal examination.
Where is the complaint? Where is the complaint?
My first complaint, Your Lordship, is in page number 42, Your Lordship, wherein I have complained to the respondent number 2 to 6, which includes the Home Secretary, the DIG, the Police Commissioner of Howrah, everyone, Your Lordship.
42.
Yes, Your Lordship. This is the first complaint. Thereafter, Your Lordship,
The representation, Your Lordship, not complaint. The representations made.
Your Lordship kindly sees the subject of the letter. It says that in grievance and complaint against IC, Dashnagar Police Station. And now, Your Lordship, and thereafter, what happened is, after the petitioner could not satisfy their demands, he was called to the police station.
Yes.
Thereafter, police demanded a bribe of rupees 5,000, which they could not pay. Thereafter, on the night of that very day, the police came to their house and arrested illegally without following the much celebrated DK Basu guidelines, Your Lordship.
The petitioner was arrested.
Yes, Your Lordship. The petition number 1.
Yes.
Kindly note the date of this. I will come to this. Kindly note the date of this incident. When he was arrested, let him submit. Let him submit first.
Yes.
The incident happened on 2nd of July, Your Lordship. Wherein the petitioner could not pay the money which was demanded by the local miscreants. The day after, which is 3rd of July, kindly comes to page number 7. It is in my submission. I have stated.
He was arrested.
Yes, on 3rd July, the police came to their house when they were not present. Thereafter, the petitioners were called by the police that come to the police station in the evening at 7 p.m. So accordingly, they went there, and kindly comes to paragraph 6, Your Lordship. I have stated there that respondent number 8 demanded a bribe of rupees 5,000, allegedly.
Respondent number 6.
Respondent number 8, Your Lordship. Respondent number 8 is the
Inspector.
yes, sub-inspector, Your Lordship, who is also the IO in a subsequent case, which is a POXO case, Your Lordship. I'll come to that later. So thereafter, when he could not pay the amount, thereafter in paragraph number 7, I have submitted that I've stated that later that night at about 11:30 hours, they came to my house and illegally arrested me, Your Lordship, without stating any reasons or grounds of arrest, and forcibly took me to the custody, Your Lordship. Thereafter, most interestingly, the next day, which is 4th of July, Your Lordship, without any medical examination and without handing over any bail bond, there was a purport. The petitioner number 2 is the wife. She went to the police station, and in exchange of 500 rupees, he was released. And he said that your bail has been granted. You are enlarged on bail, but no copy of the bail bond was served upon me, your lordship, and no medical examination was conducted. If conducted, which could have noted the physical injuries which I suffered, your lordship. They physically assaulted me, your lordship. Now, your lordship, thereafter he released with a lot of threatening, which I have stated in paragraph number 9, that if you do not leave this place, I'll take action and act. He stated categorically stated that একটা কলে তোকে ওরা পিটিয়ে মেরে দেবে, বিজনেস করতে দেবো না, তুই জমি বাড়ি ছেড়ে পালা, সানডে অব্দি টাইম দিলা। Thereafter, your lordship, on this is the first case of police overaction, your lordship. Now, the inaction arises on the same night when the petitioner was arrested, your lordship. The wife and her.
According to you, no steps were taken on the basis of your complaint.
Yes, your lordship. There was a subsequent complaint also. The police inaction, where the police inaction lies.
Three issues. If I can simplify.
Yes.
Three. First issue, some incident on 2nd and 3rd. I have my CCTV footage. Let me place. He was not even called to. He was not even in the police station. What happened? Let me tell you. On 18th June, a mass petition was given. Why? Because of his poultry farm in a dense locality in Howrah. Your lordship knows Howrah is very densely populated. He was not taking care of the poultry farm. Bad odor and smell. A mass petition was filed. He was arrested under 151 CRPC or protective measures on 26th June. In July, 2nd July, 3rd July, nothing happened. I have my CCTV. I can produce in an affidavit. On 26th June, he was taken to custody because he called that life was threatened by the local people. I have the complaint of 18/6. Second issue, so he was not there on 2nd and 3rd. Second issue, he wants protection. Why he wants protection? Kindly, your lordship, see. Petition number 2 is the third
Copy.
third wife. He did not get divorce from his first wife. Both the wives are fighting against each other. In between,
That is a different issue, your lordship.
Let me submit. So
My
these are the
apologies.
complaints and the counter complaints of the first wife and the third wife. It is a purely family dispute, and then in the meantime, his father was beaten up. So as on today, I can give you police protection. I have the GD entry by where as and when police went to his house, I have everything. So
Already you file your affidavit.
I will file my affidavit.
Kindly allow, then
Affidavit.
I'll come to those, your lordship.
After hearing the learned advocates,
Kindly come to the cost.
yes, yes. Number 10, Sangita Das, also wife of Papi Das.
No, my lord, the wife, your lordship, went away for 5 years. After 5 long years,
After
she
hearing the learned
suddenly.
advocates for the parties, this court is of the view that that a direction is to be passed upon
My lord
the,
kindly comes to page number 77 once, your lordship, to counter his allegations, your lordship. One missing complaint was filed when the first wife actually
Upon the-
went away.
who shall file an affidavit,
Your lordship,
report in the form of an affidavit.
your lordship, the OC will file, your lordship.
Why OC?
As your lordship pleases that.
Assistant Commissioner,
Gratefully, lord.
you know,
I will.
this court is of the that upon the Assistant Commissioner of Police within bracket Central 2 Division, Howrah Police Commissionerate, within bracket Central 2 Division, Howrah Police Commissionerate, being the 6th respondent, 6 number, to file a report in the form of an affidavit dealing with with regard to the allegations contained in the writ petition. Let such report in the form of an affidavit be filed. Yes,
Your lordship, after your lordship, this is
1 week after vacation, 1 week after reopening of this court after Puja vacation, petitioner will be at liberty to file an exception to the said report. So, list this matter under the heading hearing before the regular bench. Parties will be at liberty to mention the matter for inclusion in the hearing list immediately after expiry of the period fixed for filing of the report and the exceptions thereto.
Grateful, Your Lordship.
May I take that? That was for my convenience.
Yes, yes.